Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to earn money, you need to spend money. If you want to receive attention, then you need to pay attention. This way, this is a law of the universe. Whatever you give, it returns. Whatever you spread, it will ultimately come to you. So try to spread goodness. Try to show positivity. So whatever you are giving to the universe ultimately will be returning you. So nature is quite apparent. Nature is quite faithful with people. Whatever you give to nature, nature will be giving to you. What happened? What we are doing, we are cutting trees, we are killing birds, animals, and ultimately you are receiving same in the form of COVID-19, in the form of lot of diseases. You are receiving whatever you will give, you will receive. So if you've got money, don't hoard it. Hoarding is bad. Spend it on friends, spend it on people, invest it so that other people get jobs, generate jobs for other, generate happiness for other. So how you are going to do something productive, useful with your money? By spending it. Just spend it on business, start business so that people get job, they will be getting livelihood. So try to spend it, don't hoard it, don't concentrate it. Just hoarding is not gonna give you benefit. So what people do, people started collecting money, hoarding money and saving money, but this is not beneficial. Benefit is that when you spread on poor people, you give charity, you spend, you spend on poor people, needy people, spend on people and see in the eyes of the people, and you can see the interaction of the spirit, how they are going to appreciate you, how they are going to thankful, how they are going to pay gratitude once you spend money on them. So you will see the spirit of soul. You can see a rapport, how people are going to see in your eyes when you give to others. So my view is, whatever you have in the form of money, spend on other, spend on better cause, spend for better purpose, so that people receive, people get jobs, people can have some meanings of life, and people can get benefit from your money instead of hoarding and saving in your banks. Stay blessed.